First one are the rock cuttings. When they drill the Marcellus Shale, this is essentially the rock that comes up. And this rock is put through these shakers, and water comes out, the drilling fluid itself comes out, and they recycle it in part. And the rock cuttings go to some solid waste landfills here in New York State. I know I was involved in the Chemung County landfill fight. The next slide talks about, and I should say that those cuttings are slightly radioactive. The radioactivity generally is in the water, and solid waste landfills can have up to 20% water. So the cuttings themselves are slightly radioactive. The flowback water and brine, and this is a table from Department of Environmental Conservation. If you happen to make it all the way to Appendix 13, you'll see numbers like this. For various wells in New York State, you see the radium levels, and those are in terms of picocuries per liter. That's the amount of radium in water. Radium-226 and radium-228. And you see numbers like 7,885 or 16,030. Now I know this is going to be slightly incendiary, but what do those numbers mean? Let me give you one yardstick. Radium, the safe drinking water level for radium, the combined radium, radium-226 and radium-228, is 5 picocuries per liter. Now, no one is drinking brine, okay? I grant you that. But I just want, I don't know how else to compare this yardstick for these numbers. These numbers are extremely high in comparison. So some of the radioactivity then is in this brine from the Marcellus Shale. And actually methods, as I mentioned to this lady over here, there are methods to remove radium from brine. The industry doesn't like it because it'll cost money, but there are ways to remove radium from brine. Essentially, if radium is in a liquid, is in solution, you can actually convert it to a solid, chemically convert it to a solid, and you can actually filter out the radium. And they do this regularly at uranium milling operations.